Hey guys, welcome back to the slothynomads. Today we're going to head down to Las Lunas, New Mexico. It's a rural area down south, probably about 45 minutes south of here. Going to go drop some stuff off at some friend's house, and we're going to fly the drone, maybe stop for some lunch, and do a little just practicing on our footage. So probably going to start posting about once a week. We have about 8 more weeks left in the house we're in right now, and then we're going to move into an Airbnb, and then we are going to be in the Airbnb for about 4 or 5 weeks, and then season 1 starts on September 1st. So we'll be updating you as time goes, but slowly we're getting rid of stuff. We are preparing for the next phase. So it's been a lot of work, and it's been a little crazy. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll see you in a few.